Dito kami, Kong.
Yes. Yes, Pastor.
It's because it is not hidden to you. That there is a congressman here.
Oh.
And he is a Baptist pastor. But we would like to state our stand. Maybe we have a common doctrine, but not political. Therefore, we are not in unity with his political stand, whatever he is doing. Okay.
We respect that.
Okay. So, we would like to express our support for the Dutertes.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. And we would like to present this to you. Okay. Ayan, the Dutertes. Sabihin lahat kayo mga Duterte, we really support. Okay? And if I may request respectfully, Your Honor, kindly furnish this to the office of the Vice President. And this is your guy. Okay. Ito po ang para sa iyo.
Now, take a picture. I'm gonna show it.
Halika kayo dito sa may lugar, kumaka tayo. Pastor Benny Aragon po from Pangasinan. Saan sa Pangasinan? Turo niyo. Tayog.
Dr. Elmer Maraso, Mangaldan, Pangasinan po.
Mangaldan.
Malanda po. Taga Davao, sir.
Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Bisaya man di ay.
Bisaya kayo.
Bukal City.
Morning.
Okay, Pastor Frederick po from Binalonan, Pangasinan.
Okay, sir. Welcome.
Pilipino po. From Singan.
Alright.
Sir Ferdinand po.
Sir, yeah.
Suraro siya po kang basista po kasi
Salamat sa bisita.
Thank you po.
Valentina San Carlos from Open
Hello po. Ako po si Fred Shason. Drama Basista, Pangasinan.
Pangasinan. Good morning, ma'am. Salamat sa. Welcome.
Ano po ako po si St. Tito po.
Okay.
From Pangasinan.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, ma'am.
Stella Aragon from San Jonas. Good morning po, sir. Ako po si Lady Taylor sa Asinong.
Morning.
Morning po, sir. Ako po si Sister Lourdes Nerola, Tawak ang
Okay. Okay, yung dalawang taga Rizal, halika kayo dito. Kailangan kayo ni Pangasinan.
Morning.
Pastor Joel, Antipolo City.
Dito lang. Manila.
Pastor Willie, Baras Rizal po.
Para sa Rizal.
Pastor Bong.
Ito si Pastor Bong Alcala.
Oh.
Galing Mindanao, pero dito ako nagpapastor.
Alright.
Mindanao. Agusan.
Agusan.
Manobo.
Ano? Okay. Tribo.
Siya po ang administrator ng buong Pilgrim Bible Baptist Churches sa Pilipinas. Po ang aming administrator. We would like to express our support.
Thank you for that.
Ayaw po namin later on. Meron na akong sinulat kay DT, sabi ko sa kanya. There is a verse in the Bible that if God is destined her to be the next president, no one can control it, no one can hold it.